I've literally been sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to start this video, and so I'm just going to say I'm probably going to be crying through this whole thing. Vienna's okay right now. She's okay right now, but something happened to her. Something happened to her on Saturday. I woke up on Saturday morning and she couldn't walk. Her back leg, she has like barely any. It's breaking my heart and killing me inside to watch her like this. I took her to the vet immediately on Saturday morning because, again, she could not walk. Her back legs were falling underneath. She was falling all over the place. She couldn't even like really take 3 steps without just falling over. I'm like, what the hell's wrong with you? I'm freaking out. I'm screaming. I'm like, what is wrong with you? And so I take her to the vet. And I'm like, can you do an x-ray on her? I don't know if this is her spine. I don't know what is happening. Because if you guys remember, oh my gosh, like maybe a year ago, she had an incident that happened in her spine. And I know these dogs are prone to having back problems and spinal injuries. And I know that I was just hopefully thinking that mine wasn't going to have any problems. So the last time, like about a year ago, she had something that was like inflamed between, I think it was her 11th and 12th or her 12th and 13th vertebrae in her spine. She got medicine. It was when her tail was constantly being like underneath, and I'm like, what in the world is going on? And after a little while of the anti-inflammatory and stuff like that, she bounced back and she's been perfectly fine ever since. Until I woke up Saturday morning and she could not walk. So my thing is, how is she going to go to the bathroom? Because she can't get her back legs. She can't function her back legs. And the vet's like, well, she'll go when she needs to go. And I could tell she was so uncomfortable. And luckily, one of my friends that I met through YouTube, I'm so thankful of, I was explaining this stuff to her and I was telling her that I don't know what to do because I'm going to need her to go to the bathroom. And she told me to go to CVS or Walgreens and get this suppository, a children's one. So I had my man go and get it for her. And I gave it to her and I literally laid on the grass with her for a little while until it started working its way. And she finally was able to go to the bathroom, but it just kind of like seems like her back end is paralyzed almost. It's just a little tiny bit of feeling. She can move them a little tiny bit, but not much. So anyways, with this subscription, I'm going to put it on hold because I don't know if she's even going to bounce back. I don't know if she's ever going to walk normal again. I'm hoping for the best. So if any of you guys do pray or anything like that, just any positive thoughts you can send her way would be greatly appreciated. I just want her back to her normal self, and I don't know if that's going to happen. She's like my child, so when something's wrong with her, it just kills me. And this time, this is just killing me the worst because actually trying just to watch her it's just horrible. All I've been doing is pretty much just crying. I'm so worried about her. So what I did, because I know she has her fans and some of you guys like to watch her videos and not even mine. So I just want you to know what's going on. I have her sitting next to me right now in her stroller. She's content. She hasn't eaten yet today. She goes through her stages where sometimes she won't eat or drink, and so I'm trying to change things up. I'm like, anything that she'll eat, I don't care what it is, if it's my food or store-bought, I don't care what it is. As long as she wants to eat, I'm gonna give it to her. Today, so far, she hasn't eaten anything. I'm hoping that changes here soon. Yesterday was Monday. So this has been going on since Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is Tuesday, so this is 4 days. I bought her those little like walking wheelchair things. It came yesterday, and she actually pooped for the first time on her own in it. Most of the times I have to hold her legs up to try to help her, or try to help her like stimulate the area first. In the wheelchair that I did buy her, I'm trying to stay positive because one of the reviews had a miniature dachshund in the picture, and it looked like her sister, honestly. And in the review it said that they bought that for their dog, and they was hesitant for a while but was able to use it, and then like after 2 to 3 weeks of anti-inflammatory, the dog came back to normal and walked on its own. And they are thankful that they have the wheelchair in case they need it again, but now that they don't need it. And I'm hoping that that's what happens to her. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping she gains this back. I've been hoping every day for a little hope or a little sign of improvement, and I'm not seeing any. If anything, it's getting worse than getting better. I know a lot of dogs do live like paralyzed and stuff. It's just a whole new way. We have to figure this out. It's just all new learning experience. So you guys know how much she loves her toys. You know how much she loves to play, and right now she can't. So I thought maybe there'll be like some small little animal in here that maybe she could just lay with. So I wanted to open this and at least show you guys what's inside. I wasn't planning on having this. I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I know, like I said, I know a lot of you guys really care about her and you like her videos. So I just wanted you to know what's going on. I think I'm going to go ahead and just pause this subscription for a little while until I know she's good. She already has so many toys right now anyways, but it's just, I don't want to torture her with her trying to do something that she might pull or do something, twist another way to like hurt herself even more. So I'm going to try to finish this. Again, I'm really sorry, but this has just been a huge emotional roller coaster of a weekend. I just want to make sure that she's comfortable and she's okay. I've been sleeping on the couch with her just so she's not trying to get up. Like, she's so strong though, you guys. Like, I have to give her that. She's so strong. She tries so hard. The other day when I came to go to my recording room to drop something off, just to go, it was something came in the mail. I just wanted to set it down. It might even been her bag. I don't even know what it was. I just walked in here, set something down and walked back. And as I'm walking back, she's trying to get down her stairs. She's like falling down, trying to come here with me, because she always follows me everywhere. And then when I'm in here, she's always laying in here with me, and she knows the routine. She knows when I come in here, she comes and just gets in her bed and she just lays there. And that's what I think she was trying to do, but she couldn't. So like, bless her heart, she's like, I think she's more confused. Like, why can't I get up? Why can't I walk? Why can't I do anything? But she doesn't understand, and it's just heartbreaking. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm gonna do when she's actually taken from me, because she's gonna be 12 next month. I don't even want to think about that time. I'm just hoping that she still has a lot longer to fight, and I'm hoping that she's going to get better and not worse. So please, whatever you can, just send positive thoughts her way. That's all I'm asking. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's inside of her bag. What month are we in? July? She just got it. I was just a little confused because this is cute for 4th of July, but this bag just got here at the end of the month. But if it came in the beginning of the month, it would have been cute, to where she had a little 4th of July thing. Now she can have for next year. Yes, hopefully you can be wearing this next year. So there's that. Here's congratulations to Apollo. That's this month's dog. You can send your dog in, and if they pick you, they'll put you on their card. I've sent it in a few times. When you do, normally they send you a free toy, and I'm not trying to think like I want a free toy every month, so I try not to send her photo in that much. Just being honest. But this is super cute. Look at that mouse. she might... Ooh, she did perk up. She did perk up. I'm going to give it to her in her stroller and let her play with it in there. And I'll try to put a little clip in of, you know, that. But I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to try to make her hurt herself or do anything that could cause any other damage. Yeah, that is adorable though. That is super cute. And then the next one here, it says Mr. Marvin, Silly, Bounce, and Squeak, the smart way to play. So it looks like it'll probably just bounce like all over the place. Does it squeak? It says squeak. Oh, it squeaks. It has a little squeak. So there's that one. So I'm sure those are what she would have just got this month. And maybe this is... Did I send a photo last month? I don't think I sent a photo last month. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a free gift for sending in the photo because she's already received that before. Or if this is just a part of this month and she already received this before. I mean, that wouldn't be the first time they sent a repeated toy. But here is a little ice cream cone thing. That's cute for the summer though. But again, she's already received that one, but that's fine. I'm going to give her that one for a minute and see if she wants to play with it. There you go, baby. Again, I'm not trying to make her do too much. She can't. She's trying to play though with her, because she can play with her front half. You see Squeak? That's my baby. So if you would like a little bit more information about Pet Treater, they have the dog and the cat subscriptions. The dog pack is $15 a month where you get 3 to 5 selected toys and treats. The treats are always USA and Canadian made. They're never from China. You can do $25 a month. That one you get 5 to 8 products with treats and toys. You can do the treat only, which is $18 a month. You can do the toys only, which is $18 a month. Both of those you get 3 to 4 either toys or treats only. I just love her. The cat pack is $15 a month for the cat pack. You get 3 to 4 toys and treats. You can do the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want to spoil your cat more, it's $25. 5 to 8 treats and toys will be in that one. Again, I'm going to pause this because I can't do this video again like this. And I don't want to overexert her or anything like that. So I'm just going to pause this one for a little bit and we're going to hope for the best. So again, if everyone just sends positive vibes, positive thoughts for my baby, that would be greatly appreciated. And that's all I have for this video. Again, I'm so sorry. I don't like doing videos like this, but I couldn't do this any other way because I can barely talk without crying about it. So there's that. So comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of Pet Treater? Do you get Pet Treater? Do you want to get Pet Treater? I do love the fact that it's cats and dogs. That's why I did pick this one. And the fact that you can do toys only versus treats only for the dogs. It's again why I really like this one. So that is everything. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So again, I'm not sure when you'll see another video like this. Hopefully soon she's gonna be recovered and you'll see another video. But until then, like I said, I just need her. I need her to heal. I need her to relax. I need her to heal. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so sorry. I'm an emotional wreck, but if you know me, you know that's my baby. And I would do anything for her. And I'm going to keep doing everything in my power to make her as comfortable as I can. So that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about this one. And we'll see you hopefully sometime soon.